Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using subpar cleaning tools for your coffee machine? Introducing the Coffee Grinder Brush Set, the game changer you've been waiting for. This incredible product is designed to make cleaning your coffee grinder and espresso machine a breeze. With its durable PP crevice brush, you can effortlessly remove debris and coffee grounds from tight spaces, feeling the stiffness of the bristles as they scrub away at the toughest messes. The sound of the bristles scraping against the machine is music to your ears, knowing your equipment is being thoroughly cleaned. This coffee grinder cleaner brush is a well-reviewed and popular product among coffee enthusiasts, with many customers swearing by its effectiveness. The stiff bristles provide a deep clean, removing every last bit of coffee residue and leaving your machine smelling fresh and clean. The texture of the bristles is gentle on surfaces, yet tough on grime, making it perfect for daily use in kitchens or coffee shops. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to clean not just your coffee grinder, but also espresso machine filters, powder spills, and coffee bar surfaces, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. Imagine being able to wipe down your entire coffee station with ease, feeling the smoothness of the surfaces as you go. This brush set is a must-have for both home baristas and commercial coffee setups, providing effortless clean supplies and preserving the longevity of your equipment. In real-life use cases, this product has proven to be better than others on the market, with its sturdy build and king-size design making it a cut above the rest. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just a casual fan, this coffee grinder brush set is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. So why wait? Get your hands on this amazing product and experience the difference for yourself. You won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.